Welcome to Dubai. Today we'll be talking about electrophoresis of hemoglobin. What, first of all, is electrophoresis of hemoglobin? Electrophoresis of hemoglobin is that red pigment that is found in red blood cell. Electrophoresis of hemoglobin is what makes red blood cell red in color. Here, electrophoresis of hemoglobin is very important. First, it helps in the transportation of oxygen. Oxygen is bind to the molecule of hemoglobin in the red blood cells that transport to tissues and all the parts of the body. When a molecule of oxygen is bind to a molecule of hemoglobin in the red blood cell, it is called oxyhemoglobin. When it releases the hemoglobin to the tissues and the other part of the body, it is called now deoxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin is very also necessary and very important for people who want to get married. I will tell you why. Electrophoresis of hemoglobin is a test that is being done for people that need to get married or people that want to conceive and have children, because some people can get married and they don't want to have babies. But if you have intention of getting married and intention of having children, you must do your electrophoresis of hemoglobin to avoid giving birth to sickle cell children. We have two deformation of hemoglobin. One is a carrier and one is a sickle cell. A carrier means it has A and S. A means some part of hemoglobin that are not deformed and other part deformed. SS is also still part of hemoglobin. This is a deformed one, and this one is called sickle cell anemia. This is a phenotypical expression of an individual, and from the life history, it shows that people with SS, sickle cell sick anemia, don't live long. So please, it's not good to give birth to a child that you will witness the happiness of that child for a short lifespan. Better you go through this screening before you get married, or you go through this screening before you make the decision to bring a child on the earth. Thank you. We have this hemoglobin of electrophoresis is very, very important to do the test. Why? It's also linked to anemia. Anemia is the most killing disease in the whole world today. Anemia means that you're short of blood. When you're short of blood, and all we know that red blood cell carried oxygen throughout the body. When you're short of red blood cell, you fall anemia, you can easily die. And it doesn't end there. If you are having a sickle cell trait or a sickle cell sickness, at a certain level, your own blood cell will fight against your own blood cell. It means that they will be killing your blood cells. It means that your life on earth depends on transfusion. They will be transferring you blood time and frequently, because it's like food that you eat. That is how they will be giving you blood. As they're giving the blood, your system is destroying the blood. And when it gets finished, you will collapse. It starts by your veins collapses, and eventually you collapse. You don't have energy, you don't have anything. All the time you will be taking you for emergency in the hospital. So I pray for everyone to take the screening test for electrophoresis of hemoglobin, very important. Even if you have made that mistake and get married to your spouse without doing the test of electrophoresis of hemoglobin, do it for your children so that they shouldn't fall the same victim. Thank you. We will express more of the different type of diseases related to hemoglobin in our future video. Thank you.